I was extremely disciplined. I think that was another key part of being able to get the pulse initially was I
Yep.
was extremely sexually disciplined.
Hmm.
And in fact, like quickly just going all the way back to that psychic that I met that when we first met and she was reading me. She's like, all right, yeah, I can see Qigong in your aura. One of the things she said was like, she goes, this is exactly what she did, John. She goes, wow, you are very restrictive with sexual energy. And then she stopped and she said, you are extremely restrictive with sexual energy. You are extremely restricted with sexual energy. And I remember at that time period, John, I had let nothing slip for like maybe like 11 months.
What do you mean
Nothing.
by that? Ejaculate?
Nothing. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Nothing. For like 11 months.
Thank you for bringing this up because this has been the subject of the previous two podcasts. So thank you for
No,
bringing that up.
absolutely. No, that was I think a key part
Totally.
of of my practice. And so long story short, during the COVID period, there was a period where I got extremely busy at work because people were dying.
Yes.
Like a lot of my clients in the elder
The
population,
elderly. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, were passing away. I was doing a lot of work with the state administrations, helping family coordinate the transfer of assets and that kind of thing, and just became started to practice a bit less, became a bit undisciplined,
Hmm.
with just in my marriage. And two things happened. One, my wife got pregnant, and we got our third baby. I'm thankful for that. I guess I could thank you as well for
Yeah.
that.
Yep.
And but I'm very grateful to have the third baby. She's a blessing. And but also I did get COVID. I got sick. Just I think the lack of sleep, like and just like I had really been I was holding the line with with my health, my defenses against this virus, the coronavirus, and
Yeah.
it felt like I was under assault.
Yeah.
I could feel it in my liver, and I was able to beat it off. But when the practice subsided, I got COVID,
Hmm.
and it took, and it was two pretty bad weeks. Um, but I think that having qigong helped me lift out of that
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Uh, but what I found is like what a blessing to be able to at least have a practice where I can combat against those types of
Yes.
assaults on the body, but also, man, the hope. I mean, there are videos out there of 95-year-old men like practicing qigong
Yeah.
hard. There's one video out there purportedly of a 119-year-old guy,
Oh, I haven't
practice.
seen this. You'll have to
Yeah,
forward
yeah,
that one
I'll
to
send
me.
that to you. 119 years old doing like qigong.
Wow.
And the hope is that, let me tell you, if you have the choice of being, like a lot of my clients come in and they're like, yeah, we've saved up some money, four or $500,000. Now we're looking at having to spend all that,
Yep.
15 to $20,000, you know, a
Yep.
month versus can we start to adapt? Can we start to take on and build as just a part of our daily routine a a practice that could potentially preserve our health?
Hmm.
It it's a no-brainer in what they're thinking. And
Well, it's
you know,
amazing that that we have an attorney walking around in one of the biggest metropolitan areas in the country with this knowledge. You got to be one of a kind. There's no other
I
lawyer
yeah, I don't know any.
that's
And
going
I
to
just
have this information that you have, this knowledge, this wisdom.
and yeah, let me tell you, and I just came back yesterday from an eldercare conference in Harrisburg. And this it's just in elder care attorneys, elder care practitioners, people that deal with in this area of the law or just like in health. And
Yeah.
um this should be, I mean, this is it. People, people want to preserve longevity as long as possible. Um, this is a key way to do it.
Well, you should consider teaching other lawyers.
I'd love to.